Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to open your Tesla Model Y glove box. To begin, simply look at your vehicle's large central touchscreen display. Unlike traditional cars, the Model Y glove box doesn't have a physical button or latch. Instead, you'll interact with the car's intuitive digital interface to access it. This modern design keeps the interior sleek and minimalist, aligning with Tesla's innovative approach to vehicle controls. Once you're looking at the touchscreen, your next step is to tap the small car icon. You'll find this icon positioned conveniently at the bottom left corner of the display. Tapping it will bring up the main controls menu, which is your gateway to many of your Tesla's functions. This menu organizes various settings and features, making them easily accessible with just a few taps. Now that you're in the main controls menu, simply look for the glove box option. It's clearly labeled, so it should be easy to spot among the other settings. Once you locate it, a quick tap on the glove box text will send a command to the vehicle. You'll hear a soft click as the glove box unlatches, ready for you to open it manually. After tapping the glove box option, you'll notice the glove box door unlatch and drop open by about 1 inch. You can then gently pull it down to fully access its contents. When you're finished, simply push the glove box door firmly upwards until you hear a distinct click. This ensures it's securely closed and latched, keeping your items safe and sound.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.